Hi there, I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Welcome back to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. Today, I want to talk about children's birthday party themes. If you're like me, I get a little tired of Disney characters and cartoon characters, and I kind of want to do something different. So today, I want to share with you some previous parties that I did for my niece and nephews in the past. Show you how I've set the table and different themes and ideas that you might want to use for upcoming parties in your family. This is a candy theme party that I did for my nephew. It's sort of Willy Wonka inspired. What I like the most about this table setting is all the intense color. The paper goods came from Oriental Trading. The paper plates have got gumball machines and lollipops on them. The napkins are licorice striped. I've got miniature gumball machines at each place setting. The treat bags have lollipops on them. And I've got a molded piece of candy that serves as a little cup, each one in a different color. I've used green metal cake stands to elevate a gumball machine and the two-tiered cake that's decorated with lollipops. And for the topper, I've got another miniature gumball machine. I collected several gumball machines, and one day my mother called, and for sale in the parking lot, she saw a giant gumball machine like they have at the mall, and she said, "Would you want it for the party?" And I said, "Sure, get it." So the kids really enjoyed this party. This is a ninja party that I did for my nephew. It has a black, red, and white color scheme. At each place setting, I have a ninja plate and napkin. I've got molded red and black ninja cups. There are also ninja headbands, ninja stars, and little swords, I guess. I found those, I think, at Dollar Tree. I've got a ninja centerpiece with kicking ninjas. For treat bags, we've used Chinese takeout boxes. I've tiered cake stands in red, black, and white to hold the cupcakes that are decorated with ninja lollipops and little miniature ninja swords that I think are food skewers. Of course, we had to have fortune cookies. I've used a few decorative pieces, a Chinese pagoda lantern, a little Chinese box, and hanging from the chandelier, I have paper Chinese lanterns. This is a cupcake birthday party that I did for my niece. I've got a pastel tablecloth, and at each place setting, I have a pink plate and a cupcake dessert plate. The napkins also have cupcakes on them, and there are molded cupcake cups. I've used pink treat bags with pastel tissue. Strewn around the table, I've got various glass cupcakes that I've collected. And to hold the cupcakes, I've tiered pink milk glass cake stands. And on those, I have miniature cake stands that I think I got from Victorian Trading. And the cupcakes themselves we've done in pink with little sprinkles. This is a camping party that I did for my nephew. He was really into camping at the time, so I went so far as to have it in a tent. On the table, I have plates that have camping scenes on them. They've got tents with little woodland animals. We've got the napkins and the noisemakers. I've also got the treat boxes. They too look like tents. We've got little canteens with camping scenes on them. For the cupcakes, we've made campfire cupcakes with Tootsie Rolls for logs. And they're displayed on a two-tier wood stand. And for the centerpiece, I have a campfire. It's blow up. Most of these party goods came from Oriental Trading. I also have gift bags that look like fishing baskets. I have a couple of candy dispensers that are wood. I think I found them at Goodwill and put candies in them. This is a 1950s rock and roll birthday party. It has a pastel color scheme. At each place setting, I've used an old LP record as the charger. I've got record plates that say Cool Cat. The napkins have got electric guitars on them. In each chair, there's a blow-up electric guitar. I've got blow-up saxophone, microphones, and other blow-up instruments that are laid around the table. And on the table also, I've used some paper decorations that look like neon signs. I've got a jukebox. And for the cupcakes, I've tiered black and white cake stands with blue frosted cupcakes with sprinkles. Hanging from the chandelier, I've got LP records. This is a Stash Bash birthday party. It has a black and white color scheme. The plates have various styles of mustaches on them. The napkins also have mustaches. I've got black paper cups and the straws have a little mustache decoration. For the cupcakes, I've tiered black and white cake stands, and they too have a little mustache on the top. Strewn on the table, I've got mustache whistles, the stick-on fuzzy mustaches, and I've also taken black poster board and cut out large shapes of mustaches. Even the gift bag and the wrapping paper I've adorned with mustaches. I hope you got some ideas today for parties that you can use for your own family. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications button. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.